How to fix Huawei mobile phone text notification sound not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on sounds and vibration. Now here you can turn on your notification sounds by using sound silent vibration. After turning on your notification sounds, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For start your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and click on apps and then again click on apps and search here messages. Now click on storage. Now here you can clear the cache memory and data. After that, go back and scroll down and click on system and updates and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.